Okay, just going to give you a brief overview, just kind of a basic, overview of the unit circle. I know at first most people find it kind of, that's not a bad circle, find it kind of intimidating. It's really not that bad. Okay, let's start off with this. We know the basic stuff. We know we're going to start here at 0, okay? We know we're going to end here at 90 degrees. We're going to keep going. We're going to get 180 degrees. We're going to get 270 degrees. It's not bad, right? And then we end up here at 360, okay? Until we tell you otherwise, we're going to go counterclockwise, okay? Does it all also make sense? If I go to here, half of 90 degrees was 45, right? Well, keep on going. I get to 90. I add 45 and I get 135. I should mark all these degrees here just so we're very clear. If I keep on going here, let's see, I get 180 plus 45. That gives me 225, right? Gives me to 270. What's that give me to 315, right? Okay. Let's use a different color here. Does also make sense that if we start here, it gives me 30 degrees. Go up to here, it gives me, what's that, 60 degrees. Let's see, well, I'll go by 30s. 90 plus 30 is 120, right? 120 plus 30 is 150. Okay. 180 plus 30 is 210, right? Isn't too bad, right? Okay. And what do we get? 240? Okay. And what do we get? 300? And we get 330? Okay. So far so good, right? So that's all your degrees. Now I think you also understand, I'll just say this instead of writing it, this would be 1 revolution, right? This would be half. This would be half revolution. This would be 1/4 of revolution. 1/4, 1/4, 2/4. Well, you get the idea. I don't want to get ahead of everything. Okay, so let's talk about radians now, okay? Okay. 1 revolution, 360 degrees, right to here, would be 1 pi radian. Okay, 1 pi radian. Just a different way to measure. 1 pi, 2 pi. That would be 2 pi radian. Okay. Well, from here to here is 1 pi. From here to here is half a pi, or pi halves is what people normally say. So we get half a pi, pi and a half, or we're going to call that 3 pi halves, or 1.5. Okay. Then we get up here, so 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2. That's where we get the 2. Okay? In pink here, no, actually, I guess use this color stuff. 1/4. Okay, now we're going to break down like a different fraction. We counted by halves, and now we're going to count by fourths. Okay? So we get 1/4. We're going to call that pi fourths. Okay? 1/4, 2/4. Isn't 2/4 1/2? So we got 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So we're going to call that 3 pi fourths. Does that make sense okay so far? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. This will be 5 pi fourths. Okay? So far so good, right? This will be 6 pi fourths. But 6 pi fourths reduces to 3 pi halves. We always try to reduce where we can. So 5 pi 6. I meant to make that fourths, I apologize. 6 pi fourths. 7 pi fourths. And we get to 8 pi fourths. 8 over 4 is 2. Okay, so again, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. 6/4 is 3/2, 7/4, 8/4 is 2 pi. Okay? And we're going to use a blue here, okay? Now we're going to count by 6, okay? 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6. 1 6 2 6. 1 6 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, 6 6, 7 6, 8 6, 9 6, 10 6, 11 6, and 12 6. 12 6 is 2, okay? Let's try it again. So we're going to have pi 6. That's 1/6. This would be 2 pi 6, which we reduce to pi thirds. Okay? So we get 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. 3/6 is pi halves, right? 3/6, 4/6. So that's going to be 2 pi thirds. So again, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5 pi 6. Okay? It's fun stuff, huh? So 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, 6/6 is pi. 7 pi 6. Okay? If you have a chart and you're following along, it makes more sense if you have something to look at. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, 7/6. 8 pi 6, which we reduce to 4 pi thirds. Okay? So that's 8 pi 6. 9 pi 6 reduces. This is 10 pi 6, which we read as 5 pi thirds. Okay? So with 10 pi, that's 11 pi 6. Okay? We keep going and we get to 12 pi 6, and 12 over 6 is 2. And there you go. Tell you what, I think you'd rather if I did a different video for the exact values, sine and cosine values, okay? But for right now, again, when you counted in the pink, we just did 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2. When we counted by the light green there, we did 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4 is 2. And we counted by the blue, we counted by 6. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pi 6 is 4 pi thirds, 9 pi 6 reduced, 10 pi 6 is 5 pi thirds, 11 pi 6, 12 pi 6 is 2, and I think that's good. Okay, so I'll do a video in just a minute coming up, and we will do all the exact values of sine and cosine. Okay, it's good stuff.